Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Transport maximums, and this is for substances that are actively reabsorbed. So what are included? First is the glucose. So under the glucose, the transport maximum will be about 375. So what is the unit here? It is mg per minute. Then we move on to phosphate. So phosphate is 0.1 mmol per minute. Then sulfate, how is sulfate? Is 0.06. Sulfate is 0.06 millimole per minute. Then comes amino acid. Amino acid is 1.5 millimole per minute. Then comes urate. So what about urate? Urate amounts to about 15 milligram per minute. Then lactate. The lactate is almost 5 times, that is 75 milligram. So 75 milligram per minute. So what is 75 milligram per minute? It is nothing but the lactate. Next is the plasma protein. So what about the plasma protein? Plasma protein, it amounts to about 30. That is 30 milligram per minute. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.